Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I have been searching all morning, trying tons of different methods on how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest, and I think I've finally found the easiest and fastest method to do this, guys. You can get access to the admin panel for completely free, allowing you to fly, spawn, get free diamonds and more in 99 Nights in the Forest, and this is by far the easiest, quickest and most legit method to get admin commands. So before I start, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making many more 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox tutorials. So let's get into the video, guys, and show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest using a secret code. Now, what you're going to want to do is just have an internet connection on your mobile phone. As you can see here, guys, I'm using an old iPhone to record this video, but you can do this on any device. Just use your primary mobile device, I suppose. And you need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, I'm just typing it in there, and it's going to bring you to this page that has loads of codes, loads of games on here and game codes and stuff like that, guys. So yeah, all you need to do is search in the search bar for the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page here, and essentially, guys, this is a list of secret codes. And one of the codes on this page actually does give you admin commands. So as you can see, guys, this is a 99 Nights in the Forest get the admin commands panel. So this is going to unlock the commands panel for completely free, and this is 100% safe and working, and it is just a simple code that you can enter in game. So there's no sort of download or anything like that, guys. This is actually just a legit code. And basically, these are limited codes, as you can see, so you do need to unlock your personal code, guys. I've already done this, and it does limit one of these admin codes per person, so I can't do it again, guys. But what you're going to need to do is just click on this button here and just follow the instructions to unlock your admin code. Long story short, you need to complete a couple of the free tasks you see on this screen, and just follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. If you do that, guys, it will unlock your code and you can redeem it in 99 Nights in the Forest, and that is basically going to unlock the admin panel, and that is how to get admin commands. Really easy method, guys. Like I said, it is just a code, so I highly recommend you just head on over to Cold Coupons and search for the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page. And that is how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. So hope you enjoy, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know if you need any help. And I'll see you in the next video.